Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Veikk A15, and now I can show you how to make a really great thing, how to enable or how to disable, of course, if you don't like this mode, so how to enable or disable the mouse mode. To do it, you need to open the Veikk tablet driver. Then here you'll see left panel. In the left panel, click mapping, and in the mapping, click mouse. You can set up the sensitivity. So now I am using pen tablet, for example. Now sensitivity is poor. Now my mouse is fast. Or of course you can disable it using pen mode. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.